How do movies or TV affect you? The impact of movies and television on our lives cannot be overstated, as they play a significant role in shaping our perceptions and influencing various aspects of our lifestyle. In today's world, television and movies serve as the primary sources for staying informed about the latest trends in the global environment. Virtually every aspect of our lives is influenced in some way by the content we consume on television or in movies. The advent of motion pictures has undeniably been one of the most substantial influences on human cultural activities. The evidence of this influence is pervasive in our daily lives. From the photos of our favorite celebrities adorning our walls to the items from our preferred TV shows placed on our tables, the music emanating from our systems showcasing the latest musical hits, and even the outfits in our wardrobes replicating those worn by our favorite stars. These examples illustrate the far-reaching impact of movies and television. This influence extends beyond material possessions. It also shapes our behavior within our peer groups. An anecdote from my own experience exemplifies this phenomenon. I recall an encounter at a cafeteria near my college where my friend and I were surrounded by a group of students dressed as if they were from a prehistoric age, carrying what seemed like battlefield weapons. Their slow and peculiar language left us bewildered. It was only when we watched The Lord of the Rings, Peter Jackson's adaptation of J.R.R. Tolkien's novel, that we understood the context. The group had emulated characters from the movie, and their costumes and language were inspired by the fantasy world created by the great author. The influence of movies and television goes beyond mere imitation. It has led to the incorporation of movie-inspired elements into everyday language and behavior. Concepts like molecular disintegrators, laser swords, elves, and hobbits become part of common discourse. Moreover, major FMCG companies introduce new products aligned with the latest movies. Some institutions even embrace and formalize such cultural influence, as evidenced by the inclusion of the elves language in the official curriculum of a British university. How do movies or TV affect you? Movies and television have a profound impact on people, serving as a means of escape, a source of excitement, and a platform for emotional expression. Movies, being a popular form of entertainment, resonate with people's desire to observe and immerse themselves in the lives of others. There is a fascination with living vicariously through the characters portrayed on screen, allowing audiences to temporarily escape their own realities, share in the emotions of others, and envision themselves in different roles. For many individuals, their daily lives may lack the adventure and glamour often depicted in movies. The mundane routine of school, homework, meals, socializing, and sleep contrasts sharply with the action-packed and luxurious lifestyles often portrayed in films. Seeking an injection of excitement, people turn to movies to experience a heightened sense of drama and fantasy. Human beings are inherently emotional, and movies provide a platform for the expression of various emotions. Whether it's the desire to shed tears during a poignant scene in a sad movie or burst into laughter during a comedy, the emotional catharsis experienced in a dark movie theater enhances the overall viewing experience. Even in the absence of significant personal struggles, individuals find solace in the emotional release facilitated by movies. As a student with dreams of becoming a scientist, politician, or famous model, the movies serve as a window into the lives of role models. Watching how these figures act, what they wear, and how they communicate allows individuals to prepare themselves for the day when they might embody similar roles. The cinema becomes a source of inspiration and guidance for shaping one's aspirations. Despite leading a relatively quiet life, the movies offer an opportunity to witness and share in the experiences of others. Through cinematic storytelling, individuals can connect with characters, emotions, and everyday scenarios that might be absent from their own lives. The reciprocal question arises, would those on the screen want to share in the quiet, everyday existence of the viewer? In conclusion, movies and television fulfill the human desire for escapism, excitement, emotional expression, and inspiration. They provide a medium through which individuals can explore different facets of life, envision alternate realities, and connect with the emotions and experiences of characters on screen. In conclusion, the impact of movies and television on our lives is profound, shaping not only our preferences and possessions, but also influencing the way we communicate and interact with the world around us. How do movies or TV affect you? Movies and television serve as a popular means of relaxation and entertainment for individuals seeking respite from their daily chores. While their primary purpose is to entertain, these media platforms also wield influence, particularly on children, teenagers, and adults, impacting their behaviors and choices. Children, being avid consumers of movies and television, are exposed to a plethora of content, some of which is marked by violence. The depiction of heroism as destructive capacity can influence children's perceptions and behaviors. This influence is evident in their fascination with violent content, such as WWF wrestling, which can manifest in bullying behaviors at schools. Parents, though temporarily relieved from childcare duties, are concerned about the potential negative impact of this media on their children's development. Teenagers, in the crucial period of making career choices and life direction decisions, are susceptible to the influence of media. The portrayal of glamorous professions like rock star or video jockey in movies, rock concerts, and music television can skew their career aspirations. Many teenagers are drawn into these pursuits without fully understanding the realities of those professions, leading to later disappointments. Adults, who often watch movies and television for entertainment and relaxation, are not immune to the influence of media. Advertisements, especially those displaying opulent lifestyles, can create desires for similar possessions. The hero driving a Porsche in a film may inadvertently influence adults to desire the same car, leading to financial entanglements, such as high interest rates, mortgages, and credit card debt. This financial strain, in turn, can affect their mood and behavior, causing irritability and impacting their social interactions. In conclusion, the media has a notable influence on individuals across different demographic categories. While positive influences exist, the focus here has been on the negative aspects to highlight the challenges people face. Acknowledging these problems prompts individuals, whether parents, teachers, or friends, to seek suitable solutions and support those who may need help in navigating the potentially adverse effects of media influence. Movies influence people. Movies and television have a significant impact on people's behavior, influencing various aspects of their lives, including eating habits, food choices, and general attitudes. This influence can manifest in both positive and negative ways, shaping individuals' actions and preferences. A notable example of this influence is observed in a show called Superstar on Arabic television networks, where actors' behaviors in normal life situations are showcased. Viewers, both mature individuals and young children, tend to emulate the actor's behavior. This includes adopting dietary habits like consuming pasta and low-fat foods, as well as eating in a more refined manner using spoons and forks. However, the influence is not limited to dietary choices. It extends to clothing preferences. The actors in the show wear short and provocative attire, leading teenagers to imitate this style as they perceive these actors as role models. Research conducted by Ohio State University in 1998 identifies 4 stages in the process of people being influenced by movies or television. The first stage involves the introduction of a model, such as a superstar actor showcasing new attitudes. The second stage, selective attention, sees individuals selectively adopting the modeled behavior, like changes in eating habits or clothing choices. The third stage, selective retention, involves individuals continuing to exhibit the modeled behavior even after the show has ended. The final stage, feedback, pertains to individuals gauging whether their actions align with societal norms and deciding whether to persist with the modeled behavior. In conclusion, movies and television wield a considerable influence on people, shaping their attitudes and behaviors. This influence can lead to positive outcomes, such as adopting healthier habits or engaging in sports. Conversely, it may result in negative behaviors, including the adoption of provocative clothing styles and unethical attitudes that deviate from social standards. Understanding these influences is crucial for individuals to make informed decisions about which behaviors to embrace or reject based on societal norms and personal values. How do movies or TV affect you? The advent of television and movies has brought about profound changes in our lives, offering a new and distinct way of spending leisure time compared to traditional methods. As these mass media forms have become ubiquitous globally, they have significantly influenced people's behavior and perspectives, shaping their views on values, beauty, and the world. Movies and television have the power to inspire positive changes in behavior. For instance, individuals gain confidence and determination after watching movies like Forrest Gump, where characters demonstrate resilience and persistence. Similarly, TV programs highlighting the health risks of smoking prompt viewers to quit smoking and adopt healthier habits. The portrayal of slim actresses in movies and television prompts some individuals, particularly girls, to strive for weight loss, reflecting the impact of media on beauty standards. The influence extends to the topics people discuss and the focus of their conversations. Teenagers engage in animated discussions about sports games and Hollywood movies, while adults delve into global politics and social issues during office breaks. The choice of topics often stems from content consumed through television and movies, underscoring the media's role in shaping societal discourse. Movies and television also wield influence by satisfying the imagination of viewers. The narratives in these media often depict protagonists effortlessly achieving success in business, finding true love, and earning widespread admiration. Viewers vicariously experience these events, sharing the characters' emotions and fulfilling their own fantasies. This process contributes to finding balance in their lives, or conversely, may lead to an imbalance, depending on the content and the individual's interpretation. In summary, mass media encompassing movies and television holds a significant correlation with people's behaviors. These media forms not only provide entertainment and relaxation, but also convey pedagogic messages. The impact, whether positive or negative, relies not only on the content produced by mass media, but also on the interpretation and responses of the audiences.